Wagwan. I am cooking food and curry chicken is involved, so let me start off with the curry chicken. So I am using chicken legs and wings, and I remove the fats and the skin as well, and then I cut into medium pieces, wash with vinegar and water, drain and then pat dry. And now I am seasoning the chicken with various spices. The name of the spices are written, and like I always said, you don't have to use the spices that I use, neither the amount. So I am using homemade Indian curry, which is more milder on the stomach than the curry purchased in the supermarket. I used to use, well, I still use better pack, but I mostly use the Indian curry nowadays because it is more milder on my stomach. I also using ginger root because I don't know, say ginger and curry, they are best friends. I am also using green herbs that I mince into a chopper. The names of the herbs are written as well, so I am now, mixing the spices as well as the green herbs together along with the chicken. Yeah, man, just mix up everything, and then I'm gonna cover and marinate in the fridge, and I think for about 4 hours because it is quite early. This Sunday dinner theme is called easy and simple, no fuss, no frill. So I am making watermelon lemonade. So I'm gonna cut out the watermelon and de-seed it because I'm gonna eat the watermelon without seeds, right? Yeah, man. I put the watermelon into a blender and no water was added. Then I blend until well smooth, and then I strain twice, once using a strainer. And then to get rid of the pulp altogether, I use a clean dish towel. Make sure that the dish towel that you're using, if you don't have cheesecloth, is not a dish towel that you use in the kitchen. You should have a dish towel reserved to straining drinks, right? Yeah, man. And then some people sweeten with sugar, but at this time of the year in Jamaica it is very hot and dry, so the fruits are really, really sweet. So the watermelon is really sweet, so there is no need to add sugar. So all I did was to add the juice of 2 green limes, then give it a good stir, and then put it in the freezer to chill until I'm ready to serve it. So now I am gonna cook white rice, and I'm using basmati rice. I'm using a little over 1 pound of basmati rice, wash until the water runs clear, and then I am adding enough water to cover the rice, about an inch over the rice. I am also adding salt as well. I am using chiffon margarine, and they said that chiffon is heart healthy. So I am using enough chiffon to give the rice a buttery taste. Then I'm going to cover the pot and cook the rice on medium high heat. When the water reduces, going to turn the heat down low and then put a piece of file paper over the rice, steam the rice until the rice is properly cooked. The vegetables have been washed and then soaked into salted water for about 10 minutes, then rinse with tap water. So I'm using lettuce, Mr. Lettuce, that is $500 per pound. It was $1,200, so trust me, the price is going down, thanks be to God. I am also using half of a cucumber. I remove the seeds because my stomach can't manage a cucumber seeds. Them ride my stomach, as we say in Jamaica, meaning I cannot digest the cucumber seeds. So I must remove them. I'm also using 1 sweet pepper, the red sweet pepper, and I am also using 1 carrot and 1 beetroot. So I am gonna cover the vegetables and put it in the fridge until I'm ready to use it. So that is my vegetable salad. Now I am gonna curry the chicken. I put some oil into the pot and then I am adding few teaspoons of curry powder, that's the Indian curry powder, to the curry. You know, a lot of people believe that this has something to do with the chicken being more flavorful or whatever. No, it is not. A lot of people, including myself, will have tummy ache if we eat curry dishes that the curry was not burnt. The curry must be burnt, else may have tummy ache. So it has nothing to do with the chicken being more flavorful or anything like that. Doctors cannot explain why. So me just have to burn my curry, and me can't eat curry dishes outside of my home or at my mother's house or grandmother's house because most people don't burn them curry and that affects my tummy. So I am not gonna add water to the chicken, just gonna cover the pot and let it cook in its own juice. Now I am adding enough water to cook the chicken. Cover the pot and cook the chicken on medium high heat. I already have a curry chicken video uploaded to my channel. Also prepared soft roti, and that recipe already uploaded to this channel, a video entitled soft roti and baked chicken, so you can check out that video if you want step-by-step instructions how to bake soft rotis. I did not remember anything about the fried ripe plantain. They were in the microwave keeping warm, so they are not in this video. However, I remember them when I was eating. Now, hope you enjoy this video. My simple Sunday dinner, no fuss, no frill, everything well cooked and full of flavor, roti well soft and everything. Yeah man, and my vegetable right there. So yeah man, so everything turn up. Bless up. Thanks for watching.